iOS 26. 10 features you need to try right now. Hey friends, the brand new iPhone 17 is almost here, and along with it comes the final release of iOS 26. If you haven't been following the betas all summer, now's the time to catch up. Today, I'll show you the top 10 features you should enable, or at least try, right after installing iOS 26. Trust me, some of these will completely change the way you use your iPhone every day. Before we start, don't forget to drop a like and hit the bell. It means a lot. Let's go. 1. Transparent icons. The biggest visual update is the new liquid glass style. Now you can make icons and widgets semi-transparent. It looks really sleek. Some may find it impractical, but it's worth trying. How to enable. Long press your home screen. Tap Edit in the top left. Customize, Clear. Then pick Light, Dark, or Auto mode. Second, new lock screen. More customization than ever. You can make the clock huge and move the widget bar down for one-handed use. How? Long press the lock screen. Customize. Change the font, size, and drag the panel. Super handy, especially on big iPhones. Third, Parallax mode for photos. Any photo can now look 3D and alive. The system automatically separates the subject from the background and adds depth. Just open a photo. Tap the top right button Spatial Scene, or set it as wallpaper. Instant wow effect. 4. New ringtones. Apple added 6 fresh modern tones. They even match haptic feedback perfectly. Settings, sounds and haptics, ringtone, reflection. Now you can set different tones for each SIM. And yes, you can also upload your own ringtones right from iPhone, no computer needed. 5. Safari redesign. Now with translucent panels and more space for content. Web pages feel bigger and cleaner. In settings, you can pick Classic, address bar on top, the iOS 18 style, or the new compact layout. 6. Custom snooze timer. No more default 9 minutes. You can now choose your own snooze interval. Perfect if you prefer, say, 5 minutes instead of 9. 7. Updated phone app. The recents and favorites are now merged into one screen. It feels strange at first, but it's actually easier to use. Don't like it? You can switch back via the context menu. 8. Adaptive battery mode. Available on iPhone 15 Pro and newer. iOS now automatically lowers performance when needed to extend battery lifespan. Settings, battery, power mode, adaptive. You can even turn off notifications when it kicks in. 9. New Photos app. Apple redesigned the gallery again. Collections and folders are now on a separate tab. You still can't hide sections completely, but you can reorder them. Put your favorites at the top. Collections, 3 dots, reorder. 10. New Games app. Basically a redesigned game center. All your iPhone games, achievements, and friends in one place. While gaming, you can even remap buttons on a connected controller. Find the game's icon on your home screen, then adjust depending on your controller. Final thoughts. So, those are the top 10 features you should try first in iOS 26. Apple focused on visuals, convenience, and battery life. Which feature is your favorite? Personally, I love transparent icons and parallax photos. They look amazing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Next up, we'll dive into the iPhone 17 and hidden iOS 26 tricks. Stay tuned. Give your iPhone a fresh look. Exclusive wallpapers are waiting for you in our Telegram channel. Link is in the video description. Download your favorites now. That's it for today. This was iTDog. See you soon.